Ryobi power tools are known for their affordability and versatility, making them a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts. With a wide range of tools powered by the same battery platform, Ryobi offers convenience and flexibility for various home improvement projects. So in today's video, we'll talk about 30 Ryobi power tools for every DIYer. Purchase links for these power tools have been provided with updated prices in the description box for your convenience. Let's begin. The Ryobi 18Fe 1 + 5 inches Random Orbit Sander is designed for efficiency and precision, delivering an impressive 10,000 orbits per minute to achieve a smooth, swirl-free finish on various surfaces. Its innovative design features a dust collection port compatible with both 1 to 1 by 4 inch and 1 to 7 by 8 inch vacuum hoses, helping maintain a clean workspace by effectively capturing dust and debris. The sander boasts 40% reduced vibration, enhancing user comfort and control during operation, making it ideal for extended projects. Additionally, the hook and loop sanding pad allows for quick and easy sandpaper changes, streamlining your workflow. This versatile tool is a great addition to any DIY enthusiast or professional's toolkit, perfect for sanding, finishing, and preparing surfaces for painting or staining. With its cordless convenience, you can tackle projects both indoors and outdoors without being tethered to a power outlet. The Ryobi 3PC Rail System onboard accessory storage set enhances organization and accessibility for your tools. Easily attach and mount with the provided screws, this set conveniently holds fasteners and hardware both on and off the rail system. It accommodates up to 8 driving bits and a 1 by 2 inch drill bit, ensuring essentials are always within reach. Attachments are interchangeable and reversible, offering versatile storage options. Additionally, a magnetic tray allows for use on metal surfaces, providing extra storage solutions. This set streamlines your workspace, making projects more efficient and organized. Alright, we just saw some cool products that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So, if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, Tik Tok For Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, Tik Tok For Business has the tools to help you grow. With Tik Tok For Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. The Ryobi 15-inch string trimmer can deliver impressive performance. Its runtime is up to 1 hour when paired with a 40-volt 4 amp-hour battery. Designed as a powerful alternative to gas trimmers, it offers more power than a traditional 21cc gas model, making it an excellent gas replacement for outdoor maintenance. The trimmer also features expandity attachment capability, allowing users to save time, money, and space by utilizing a range of interchangeable attachments for various tasks. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this tool is perfect for tackling overgrown areas and maintaining a neat landscape. Ryobi Link Tool Organizers provide versatile and efficient storage solutions for your workspace. Designed to hang 2 ways, they can be mounted in wall studs or on wall rail, supporting a robust 200-pound weight capacity with a durable steel body. Featuring access for 4 tool slots and an adjustable shelf, these organizers accommodate various tools and equipment. Integrated cord access ensures tidy cable management, while the accessory rail compatibility allows for additional attachments. Lockable and open tool organizer cabinets offer security and easy access, making these organizers an ideal choice for keeping your tools organized and accessible. The Ryobi high-energy batteries, designed for enhanced performance and versatility across all Ryobi products. Utilizing high-energy cells that run cooler, this battery provides increased power, enabling users to tackle larger applications with ease. Its efficient energy flow ensures that tools operate at peak performance, translating into longer runtimes for extended use. Whether you're working on demanding tasks or simply need reliable power for everyday projects, this battery delivers the performance you expect from Ryobi. Compatible with the entire OnePlus lineup, it enhances your toolkit, making it an essential choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Ryobi Anti-Tangle Stick Vacuum offers cordless convenience and a compact design for easy maneuverability. It features an effective filter and a roller bar that minimizes tangles, ensuring efficient cleaning. The vacuum includes an ever-charged charger and various accessories, providing everything you need for a thorough cleaning experience. As part of the Ryobi OnePlus ecosystem, it works with over 175 OnePlus tools, all powered by the same 18-volt battery. This compatibility enhances its versatility, allowing you to integrate it seamlessly into your existing tool collection while optimizing your cleaning tasks. Ryobi ratchets and sockets combine precision and durability for efficient fastener work. The quick-release 90-tooth ratchet offers a 4-degree arc swing, making it ideal for tight spaces. Large socket markings ensure quick identification, while the 6-point sockets provide maximum torque without rounding fasteners. Constructed from chrome vanadium, these tools promise increased durability for long-lasting use. The included storage case is link wall compatible, helping you stay organized and easily access your tools. With Ryobi hand tools, you'll never get caught empty-handed, ready to tackle any project with confidence and efficiency. The Ryobi RVI 4-volume inflator delivers powerful, high-volume inflation for a variety of tasks, making it an essential tool for any home or outdoor adventure. This kit inflates a twin air mattress in under 90 seconds, making it perfect for quick setups. It offers both inflation and deflation capabilities, ideal for small inflatables or as a hard surface blower. Compact and portable, this IPX4 water-resistant inflator is easy to transport, perfect for on-the-go travels. The Ryobi RIW 18 CBL Impact Wrench harnesses the power of advanced brushless technology from the OnePlus series, delivering exceptional performance through patented electronics and intelligent battery management. With an impressive 450 mm of nut-busting torque and 300 nanometers of fastening torque, it excels at quickly tightening and removing heavy-duty fasteners. Featuring 3-speed settings and an auto-stop mode optimized for car wheel nuts, this wrench adapts to various tasks with ease. Tri-beam LED lights illuminate work areas, eliminating shadows on bits and fasteners, while its compact design ensures ultimate portability for easy overhead work, making it a versatile tool for any project. The Ryobi table saw stand offers a robust and portable solution for woodworking projects. Constructed from durable steel, it ensures stability and support during use. Designed for easy transport and quick setup, the stand utilizes wing nuts and bolts for secure assembly. Compatible with the HP OnePlus RTBS 18X0, it features 4 alignment holes on the top for a secure fit. With a maximum load capacity of 120 kg, this stand can confidently support your table saw and materials, making it an essential accessory for any DIY enthusiast or professional woodworker looking for reliability and convenience in their workspace. So that was our video on the 30 coolest Ryobi power tools that helps workers to make their work easier. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.